How secure is your digital life? In an ever-connected world, maintaining cybersecurity has become as essential as locking your front door. Yet many individuals neglect this crucial aspect, leaving themselves vulnerable to cyber threats. Today, we'll delve into some practical and easy-to-implement cybersecurity tips to help safeguard your online presence. Imagine walking down a busy street. You wouldn't hand out your home keys to a stranger, would you? Similarly, online, your passwords are your keys. Protect them. Make sure to use strong, unique passwords for each account. Avoid using obvious choices like birth dates, pet names, or the word password. A good tip is to think of a memorable sentence and use the first letter of each word to create your password. Next, consider two-factor authentication. It's like a double lock for your accounts. Even if someone manages to guess your password, they'll need a second piece of information, typically sent to your phone, to get in. Most services offer this option, and it's a simple yet effective way to significantly boost your online security. Beware of phishing attempts. These are fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information, often through seemingly trustworthy emails or messages. Be skeptical of any unexpected emails, especially those asking for personal information or urging immediate action. Remember, legitimate organizations rarely ask for sensitive information via email. Next, keep your devices and software up to date. Updates often contain security patches to fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. It may seem bothersome to update every time a new version pops up, but it's a small inconvenience for a significant security boost. Public Wi-Fi networks can be a hotbed for cyber threats. Avoid using them for sensitive activities like online banking. If you need to use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network or VPN, which can provide an extra layer of security. Lastly, back up your data regularly. In the event of a cyber attack, having a recent backup can prevent data loss and help you recover much more quickly. To recap, here are the main points. 1. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. 2. Enable two-factor authentication where possible. 3. Be vigilant against phishing attempts. 1. Regularly update your devices and software. 1. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities or use a VPN. 1. Back up your data regularly. By implementing these tips, you can significantly enhance your online security. Remember, in the digital world, prevention is always better than cure. So start taking steps today to secure your online presence. It's never too late to start prioritizing cybersecurity.